Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you change the option of Duet. Now for those of you who are wondering what is a TikTok Lite account, TikTok Lite is the lighter version of TikTok where you'll see various raw videos, edited videos and so on. Now to change the option of Duet on TikTok Lite, open TikTok Lite on your device. Now this is the homepage of TikTok Lite. You'll see option like home, discover, plus icon, inbox, me, etc. Simply click on the me option. Now you'll see option like edit profile and so on. Simply click on the three dots which is at the very top right. There you'll see the option like manage account, privacy, security. Simply click on privacy. There you'll see option like suggest your account to others, etc. Scroll down until you see the option of Duet. Now here you can see that who can duet your videos. If you want everyone to duet their videos, then simply click on the option of everyone. If you want the friends that you follow back to do it with your videos, simply click on friends. Or if you want only you to do it with the videos, then simply click on only me. So yeah, that's how you can change the option of Duet on TikTok Lite account.